Good morning, Vlogmas. So it is December 19th. We are officially at the week of Christmas, and I took the entirety of last week off, so Vlogmas is screwed. And I'm rethinking lots of things in my life, but generally rethinking how I'm going to do Vlogmas next year. And for the rest of this Vlogmas, I'm switching everything to episodes instead of days because the days are ruined. But I do want to keep bringing you along. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do a video every day. I don't know if I'm going to have enough stuff to do every day, but I do have a few things that are backlogged because I was sick. So I do have some things planned that I need to do for you. I still have to do my Black Friday haul for my online shopping. I missed gingerbread houses with my in-laws family yesterday, so I have the gingerbread English. I have the gingerbread house here, and I can do that, which I do want to do anyway. And then poor Brett, his broke on the way home from their house, so his is in the trash. But for the record, I have pneumonia, which is great. So I'm on my second to last day of antibiotics, and I would say I'm 80% there, like 80% feeling better. The mornings are really hard. It's like 8:45 right now, so I'm still doing like my morning hacking and the morning drainage, and so in a few hours I'll feel better, and I think that's probably when I'm gonna go try to edit whatever footage I have from Vlogmas Day 9 that I don't think I've posted. I don't even remember what happened last week or 2 weeks ago, whenever I vlogged last. I don't even really remember. So I'm hopefully gonna get a video up today on the 19th for you guys. I ended up wrapping all of the Christmas presents already because we were like 10 days out from Christmas and I didn't have anything under the tree. So basically, once I had 24 hours of antibiotics and I was sure I was not contagious anymore, I went ahead and wrapped the presents. It took hours. So I have the Q&A that I was going to do with the present wrapping, so I can do that Q&A separately. This December was not it for me. Took like an entire week off of work. Luckily I have a job where I can do that and nobody really cared. Well, they cared that I was sick and they were worried, but you know. And I think that's it. Oh, my Louis Vuitton bag arrived while I was sick, so I didn't do an unboxing of that, but I will 100% put it in like the Black Friday video so you can see my new Louis Vuitton bag. I still have it sitting over there. I've just been like setting it in the living room so that I can like look at it. The lighting is terrible, I apologize. Yeah, okay, so the books I've finished, I believe, in the last few days were Serpent and Dove, Court of Frost and Starlight, Winter House #1, and I finished The Cruel Prince yesterday. So I started From Blood and Ash last night. I'm on chapter 3, and so far it's pretty good. I'm liking it more than The Cruel Prince. I didn't really like that one. If the slow burn with the romance is so slow that it doesn't kick in really until book 2, you've lost me. So I'm trying to find something that is on the same level of the Court of Thorns and Roses books, and I'm having a hard time, basically. So hoping that this is it. So far it's pretty good. Seems like it's close to on par, and so I'm gonna read and relax and let all of this drainage happen in the morning, and then hopefully edit for you guys, and I don't know what else I'm doing today. Alright, so in an effort to be transparent, it is the next day. I am just now getting to editing Vlogmas episode 9, and I'm doing work sprints with my company. So every hour and a half, we jump on Zoom, we set goals for what we want to do for that hour and a half, and then we come back at the end of the hour and a half and say, this is what I was able to complete. So that's what we're doing. Today's the 21st. I didn't mention that. I don't think I did. But let's, I've got my laptop going. I've got the big dog going. I just finished a coffee. I am waiting on, oh my God, the lighting. Wow. I'm waiting on my timer to go off so that I can eat some lunch. I haven't eaten lunch and I already picked up today's groceries. Later today, we are gonna cook some egg muffins. I'm hoping this is tracking me okay. So it's like, if you've ever had the Jimmy Dean frittatas, that's essentially what I'm making. It's like scrambled egg cups. You know, you scramble eggs and you put toppings in and then you put them in muffin tins. This is a great post-VSG food. Eggs are super easy for me to digest. They never hurt me. I cannot think of a time when eggs have ever not worked. Correct me if I'm wrong, but eggs are almost always a safe bet. And making these kind of egg cup things, it's easy for if I'm hungry and it's late at night and I don't want to eat something crazy. It's good for breakfast. It's just good in general. If nothing sounds good and I need to eat something, it's a good thing to grab. So I can make big batches of them, put them in the fridge, put some in the freezer, even if I need to. So I made the first batch last week, or maybe like over the weekend, and I made a dozen and a half, and we've got 4 left. So I got, I think, 4 dozen eggs, mostly because I plan on doing some baking and some other things. But yeah, so I plan on doing a couple of batches of those later today. I have a bunch of random crap in my fridge, and these egg cups are a good way to kind of clean out the fridge. But I'm gonna probably eat taco salad for lunch, and then whatever's left is gonna go in the egg cups. So we're gonna do that later. But right now, our sprint is going until 1:30. It is 12:45. So I have done all of my work for my main company. So that is why we are working on YouTube right now. And I've got some like gift things that I need to get situated. I've got gift cards that need to go in little boxes. Okay, so this is the book that I'm listening to right now. It's a cute little middle grade book. There you go. It's by Jennifer Bell. I read another Jennifer Bell book, I could have sworn, over the summer that was really good. And now I can't find it on my... It'll come to me at some point. But I really like middle grade books. They're super cute and adorable, and I can't find it off the bat. I'm sorry about the lighting in here. But so I've got 5 hours left of this, so I'm going to try to knock this out today. I will probably be able to get this done if I get my life together, but okay. Time to edit this vlog, and then I'll take you downstairs and show you what I'm eating. Okay, so here's lunch. It's a super thin layer of beef and a little bit of cheese sauce. I basically dumped in the leftovers of what we had for taco salad. There's a lot of lettuce on top. And then I've got some corn and some pico de gallo. So this might end up being 2 or 3 meals. But I just wanted to put it all together, and then I'll snack on this probably until dinner. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start making like the ingredients for the egg bites. So I need to cook these and this and this and that. And then I've got like some random things to throw in here. I need to cut up some cheese. Actually, this is cooked, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the pan to kind of caramelize. I've got the extra corn from taco night and the extra tomatoes from taco night. So, and like I've been eating these and they need to go, so I'm just gonna toss them in. Yeah, so I'm gonna get to cooking. And I got Vlogmas episode 9 up, and I did all of my work, so like it's 2:30 and I'm kind of like done working for the day. I got literally everything I wanted to get done basically completed today, so now I'm on to the fun stuff. Some laundry going, and I got the last of the gift cards wrapped up in their little gift card boxes. So today's going very, very well. I need to go get the mail. There's a fly in here. That's great. But yeah, all is well.
The oven is almost up to temp. We're gonna do 350 for 22 minutes. That's what I need in my oven. But I have all of my lovely ingredients. We have Colby Jack, pepper jack, caramelized onions, garlic and thyme, mushrooms, apple sausage, turkey bacon, honey baked ham, corn, and tomatoes. And then I have 2 dozen eggs with oat milk, salt, pepper, and garlic powder in here. So my only downfall is that this is the only muffin tin I have. So I'm gonna be here a while. A dozen eggs last time got me 18 muffins. So we should be getting somewhere in the 36 range would be my guess. I'm gonna fill up the cups with like 1/4 of a cup of egg and then start adding everything in. So let's get to it. So here they are. They look really, really good. I hadn't done it with pepper jack before, and I was worried they wouldn't fluff up. I don't know why. They fluffed really well with the Colby Jack. I'm gonna set these down. But so I'm literally just gonna take a big spoon and scoop the little suckers right out and put them on a plate, and then I'm out of space, so I'm literally gonna put the plate back in the cabinet. Because, again, I don't want to put them away until they've cooled off, and I would normally put something like that in the microwave, but the microwave has all the ingredients to make the next batch. So I'm just going to keep making these batches. Brett is due home in an hour, and I don't think I'll be done by then, but I'm going to go ahead and cook him some tortellini. We get, like, the pre-packages of tortellini and ravioli at Trader Joe's or the grocery store. And then we just put them in the freezer, and when we want one, I put it into the fridge and just let it defrost, and then I cook it for dinner. I'm actually not gonna have any of this. I'm probably gonna have like leftover gumbo. I've got some leftover soup. I also have leftover enchilada bake. So he doesn't want to eat leftovers. He's not a leftover fiend like I am. So I'm gonna cook him this. This is super easy. I literally just put it in the water and then put red sauce on it, cheese on top, and he's thrilled. So he's an easy dude to cook for. I got lucky with that because I'm putting in all this effort for these breakfast things, which are good for him also. If you're not aware, you're new here. I know there's a lot of new people here. My husband's a cop. So once he gets his gear on, he puts on like 30 pounds of gear between Kevlar and utility belt, and the boots he wears are super heavy, and it's winter here in Kansas City, so it's cold. So he's got heavy coats and stuff, but once he gets all that stuff on, like, he cannot eat a big meal because there literally isn't room. So a couple of these egg popper things, they work really well for him. He feels full but not stuffed, and he can still get his utility belt on, which is good. So yeah, this is the plan for him. I'm gonna keep going. I'm doing laundry in the bedroom. There we go. Before I got sick, I was gonna do a like Q&A and wrap Christmas presents with me, and then I got sick and I wrapped the presents because then I probably wouldn't have wrapped them until like yesterday, and then we would have had presents under the tree for like 4 days before Christmas, which would have sucked. But I have a gingerbread house that I need to build because I didn't go to Brett's parents' house to do that because I was still sick. So I was thinking I could build the gingerbread house and do the Q&A. So I'm thinking that is what my vlog will be tomorrow. We are 79% of the way done with this book. I'm finishing this book today, by God. That's what I got. I'll check in with you and show you the pile of egg muffins that I end up with at the end of this. All right, it's many hours later. I have so many egg muffins. So many. I feel like that TikTok, so I got these, and these. I got all of these in here. I ended up with the 36 I wanted. Of course, we've already eaten some of them. And then these are full also. I'm very excited. So basically, it's 8 o'clock. I'm tired. I'm gonna watch some YouTube, read some books. I did finish that one book I was reading.
I started a lesson in vengeance, and we're gonna have some Chick-fil-A yogurt. My sister-in-law went to the hospital. She may or may not be in labor, so we will see what happens with that. But that's what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed today's kind of cook with me vlog. I will see you tomorrow for a gingerbread house Q&A, and yep, that's what I got. Let me see. Leave an egg emoji in the comments. Leave a food emoji. Leave a food emoji in the comments. A breakfast food emoji, perhaps. Bacon, eggs, something of that sort. Rory, do you have anything to say to the people? No? Okay, great. See you guys tomorrow. Love you. Bye.